Good afternoon and welcome to my Flosstube. I think this is number 11. It is Friday, July 17th in the afternoon. If you are new to my channel, welcome. You will find that I have both cross stitch and card making, rubber stamping videos, so I try and make it very clear which is which. So if it says Flosstube, then it's my cross stitch, and if it says Facebook Live, then it's my stamping. That way you can be sure you get the ones that you're interested in. Today's video is going to be very short. I have been working only on some Patriotic whips that I had, and I finished up a couple of them, and then I made some good progress on another. So that's all I've been working on. I threw my, what's the word? All my plans for my rotation out the window and just worked on Patriotic because it was July and that's what I wanted to do. So the first one I'm going to show you is called 4th of July. It's Holiday Hoopla, and it's from With Thy Needle and Thread. Whoops. And I did it on Picture This Plus Heroic. And I realized after I had gotten quite a ways that the other side is actually more colorful of the fabric. But I was not going to rip out what I had already started, so it still looks good. I like it. The way she finished it was in a hoop, and I don't know if that's what I'm going to do or if I'm going to do something else. Obviously, they did not get finished for this 4th of July, but that's okay. It was fun to work on them. And then the other one that I finished is Lizzie Kate. This is red, white, and blue, and it was a fun one. It's kind of hard to tell, but there are a few little beads on the middle of the red flowers there. And I had it probably 3/4 done when I picked it back up, so I just finished it up. And it came with a little finishing kit. So it's just a matter of sitting down and putting it together. And then the other whip that I pulled out, there was a Facebook group that I saw that was working on this. I was like, oh, I haven't worked on mine for a long time. So it's One Nation. I think it's Bygone Stitches, yeah. And so I am still working on the star area. Let me get this behind us so you can see. This is going to be a big one. You can kind of see. So I probably had, I know I filled in a lot more of the stars, and all of this is new. So I probably had maybe 1/3 of the stars done, and that's it. So I've been making some good progress on this. I am ready to add some red to it. So I'm tired of doing the blue and white. I'm using the called for colors on the called for fabric, which I don't remember what the fabric is. One moment, because I should have it right here. So the colors in their Classic Colorworks. So the blue is Blacksmith Blue. I'll just pull out the floss so you can see it a little bit better. I'm almost out of one skein and ready to start the second skein of that. So Blacksmith Blue. The white is Antique Lace, and I have several more skeins. This is all that's left of this first skein. So Antique Lace. And then the red is Cupid, and I can't wait to get started on some of this red. Hopefully you can see that. It's got a lot of variation to it, so that ought to make it really interesting. And the fabric is 28 count Ale from Picture This Plus. And I think I've stitched some other things on Ale, and it's a real pretty color. So I'll work on this at least until I can add some red, and then I'll probably start working on some other things. But it has been really fun to get some of these Patriotic ones out and finished, and maybe by next 4th of July I'll get that one finished. All right, that's all the stitching I have to share with you. Like I said, I've been really concentrating on those. I do have a couple of stash that I've received or that I've purchased, so I was going to show those. This is the Truckin' Along September from Stitching with the Housewives. These are fun. I haven't done any of them yet, but I really do like them. And then I had shown you, I don't know, a couple times ago, I had just found this Bella Filipina, and so I had another one come in. This one is Enchantress of the Abyss. So one of my favorite designers is Mirabilia, and these remind me a little bit of that. They're very detailed. I think they have a lot of the beads on it. So they will take a while to do, but it will be fun. All right, that is it. Like I said, it's going to be short and sweet today, and then hopefully by next time I'll get back into my rotation and you can see some different things that I've been working on. But it's been a lot of fun doing these patriotic ones, and maybe I'll have one of them finished by next time. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.